Foshan Baijinyi Precision Technology Company Limited, located in Sanshui District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, was founded in 2011. It's a high-tech enterprise. The plant covers an area of more than 4,000 square meters and has more than 100 employees. After 1 decade of steady development, BJY has developed into an influential manufacturer of molds and equipment for the PET liquid packaging industry. BJY continues to maintain close interaction and cooperation with world-class players through exhibitions and industry exchange meetings and strives to be a leader. Our products include blowing molds, injection molds, compression closure molds, blowing machines, filling machines, labeling machines, and other related spare parts. Products are widely used in liquid beverages, daily chemicals, food, pharmaceuticals, medical care, and other industries. BJY molds are adapted to various well-known foreign and domestic brands of blowing machines, filling machines, and labeling machines, such as Cedo, KHS, Krones, SIG, SIPA, SECMI, Husky, Teclon, Master, etc., relying on the geographical advantage of adjacent to Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport. The export ratio of our products reached 45%. Selling to the United States, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Brazil, Mexico, and other countries around the world. BJY creates value for customers and win widespread praise. Why do world-famous brands such as Coca-Cola, Toyo Beverage, Watsons, Jianlibao Group, China Resources Chesterman, Uni-President Group, and Kafco Group choose BJY? Because we have 3 core advantages. Firstly, we have a professional technical team to provide you with one-stop service. We have a group of engineering and technical personnel and production workers who have 20 years of work experience in PET packaging industry. They can provide customers with a complete set of services from perform, bottle design, product R&D, and molds production. We applied and passed more than 30 product patents to provide mature equipment transformation and molds improvement solutions according to customer needs. We can provide customized services and one-stop solution for liquid packaging. Secondly, we have complete production and testing equipments to provide you with high-quality products. From raw material monitoring to finished products, each process has undergone strict control. After years of development, we have formed our own complete production and inspection process. We strictly implement 5S lean management with significant effects. We also actively promote mass manufacturing execution system to achieve digitalization of production process, which ensure all processing of each part is effectively monitored and greatly improves production efficiency. Meanwhile, we continuously increased on the investment, purchased more than 40 high-precision processing equipments, such as mirror-grade EDM machines, Haas turning milling compound machines, Jingdao 4-axis and 5-axis CNC, etc. This ensured all processes are completed by ourselves and reduced the quality risks. Our inspection center has more than 30 sets of precision inspection instruments or equipment. Including TIE's 3 coordinates measuring instruments, Kian's image dimension measurement system instruments, etc. Precision inspection equipment help us achieve comprehensive quality control. We also built a new thermostatic processing workshop in 2022 to meet the higher precision processing needed, and also invested a completion test equipment for bottle blowing molds. Now, all the molds can be tested before delivering to our customers. Thirdly, we provide you with the most reliable services and sincerely create values for customers, adhering to the concept of trying to reduce the probability of problem and solve the problem in time. From the pre-sale product design, mold surveying and mapping, to prototype molds testing and lot size mold production in sale or after-sale on-site debugging. We all provide customers with professional service. Being on-site and helping customers solve the problem in shortest time is our mission.
不断进取，不断创新，
持续改进，用心为您创造价值。
Foshan Baijinyi Precision Technology Company Limited.